No. Daddy's gonna cancel it. Are you excited? What? Are you birthday girl? Huh? October 3 is your birthday. So you have to wait. Yeah. A lot.
It's like this.
Stop. Huh? Jilana. No, don't do your dress. You don't have a dress. You need a long dress. No more. Honey, can you just cancel that one? Then don't do that. I don't like your belly like that. Hanging. See? You need a long dress, Jilana. The long sleeve. Yep. Oo nga. Ay, Jilana! I'm gonna cancel that. Wait. No, yeah, I'm gonna cancel. Well, you don't listen.
No, you, Mama.
La, I'm gonna cancel that. I don't like that. I'm not buying that anymore. Then don't do that.
Fine, Mom.
Jilana. Stop. Where are you going now? No more? Okay, just cancel it. Just do now. Okay, be nice now. Huh? You want Julene?
Yes.
Julene!
No, Jay.
Jade is in the shower. Please, Julene! Okay, so no play. Okay, bye.
No.
Okay, then play, write your ABC then. Can you review the ABC?
Almost time for your jammer. Is there jammer hammer?
She doesn't listen that anymore. Okay, put it here. Don't make it that one. When Daddy do the vacuuming, you're gonna lose it.
Oh, we'll go back in.
Where you put your animals there?
Oh, I gotta get you something else for that.
Oh, what are those? Whoa. Those are insects. Yikes, B. Put it there on the next one, not long one. So they're not. There you go. So other line. Yep.
This one and this one.
Busy ang mga tao ngayon na nasa ano,
And you.
na kay Alice
And
Go.
you.
Ay, isa.
I
I didn't touch it. Na kay Alice Go ang mga tao ngayon na. Di ba, Chay? Busy. Mahirap, no? Yun ang example na mayaman nga, stress naman. No, sakit sa ulo nun. Stressful.
Here,
Stressful,
This
no?
one goes with it.
Yeah.
Yan, yung maraming pera pero stressful.
Oh, that one's scary. The ant.
Yep. How about put this in your bed?
Okay, Mama, in your bed.
Yeah, simpleng buhay na lang.
Pick a bee, Mama. Pick.
Pick a bee.
Yeah, Mama.
I close my eyes.
Yeah.
Grasshopper.
This one.
How about Daddy?
I don't want to be one. Be one thing.
Yeah, big one.
Don't think, Mama.
Don't scare Grandma.
Are you scaring Grandma? These are all real one. Yun ang example ng maraming ang pera, sakit
This is
naman
like
ang
the June
ulo.
beetle, those pinch beetles.
Do we have that here in Alaska?